They appear to be very learned, but Maya has killed them already. They have no knowledge. Maya aprita jnana. Just see. Why? Asuri bhava. Life is created by God, they will not accept. Life is created from dirt. That's it. Maya aprita jnana. Where is the instance that you create life by chemicals? That we shall see in the future. Kick him immediately on his face with boot. Rascal. Will you accept any check? It will be paid in future. Will you accept? So why shall I accept this rascal's theory? If somebody gives me check, $1 million, payable 300 years after, shall I be inclined to accept such check? So why these fools accepting this post-dated check?
Oh, but they say they've already done so much. The
what you have
scientists
done?
will
What
say.
you have done? Why people are studying? What you have done?
But they'll say we've created so much machineries and gone to the
You
moon.
cannot eat machine. You produce. You produce rice, wheat in the machine. What you have done?
At least
you have simply misled the people that instead of tilling the ground, they have come to machine and there is no food. Yes. You have done this.
Yes.
You have on the false plea that will give you 500 rupees salary, you come in the city and be engaged. Oh, he saw. I simply produce my food. If I get 500 rupees, then I'll go to cinema, I'll have good dress. Now, there is no food even. You have done this. That's all. What is the benefit of this machine? The machine benefit is that we are purchasing, when there was no so much machine in our childhood, 3 rupees 4 anna per month, first class rice. Now we are purchasing 1 kg. So if one is rascal, they will be misled by it. Otherwise any sane man will not accept. They say that we have done so much. What you have done? You have done this. That is in India. The effect of machine and factory is that there is no rice, no.
Help, they are mixing stone in the rice.
That's it. That you cannot get. Oh, they have done so much. But India is not meant for machine. These rascals, they do not know. India's culture is plain living, high thinking. You require some food, produce food, and take it and chant Hare Krishna. But they will not accept. Oh, this is primitive. Nowadays we must have this motor car, motor tire.
Farmers will get a job of 300 rupees and runs away to city. He will not work in the field.
Yeah.
There will be no food.
Yes. Because they require the cow is being killed and that's all. That is sufficient food for them. And let the farmers work for me, for bolts and nuts and motor tire. We make huge profit. You are making profit, but others.
What is the use of that profit, Prabhupada Maharaj, when they don't get even for eating? No clothing, no eating. Only profit, what profit will be beneficial?
They don't care for others. But they are having wine and women with their black market money. That's all. They are satisfied.